just for the time later, for someone.
Yeah.
Hopefully they have a cell phone.
All right, so don't swear. I'm taking a movie.
Yeah.
I'll get you going down the hill.
No prisoners. I don't know what that means. It's not on Rocket Tower.
Exactly. But so we want to hook left down here. So when you get up, go straight. I'll follow you with the camera down into the trees a little bit.
Alright. Just that we may not now because I'm not so good on this part, so it's pretty flat.
That's okay. All right. Don't worry.
You keep your leg.
We'll edit it all out. To the left is where I'm going.
Left?
Yeah.
Left.
To the left.
Then I'm gonna strap in.
All right. Very good. I'm getting the beautiful mountains behind.
Make sure you get the clouds there. That's awesome.
I am. Actually, they're gone. There's nothing blown over there. Woo.
Awesome. Let's go. All right. Eventually, I'll be going really fast.
All right. Eventually.